So what in the news do you want to watch this week that can affect interest rates? Well, there's been a lot of development on trade wars front. We have the next round of tariffs implemented on Chinese-made goods on September 1st. China indicated they will be implementing a 75 billion worth of additional retaliatory tariffs on 9/1 and 12/1. They will also resume 25% tariffs on US autos. We in turn are raising our 25% tariffs to 30% and our 10% tariffs to 15%. This makes Chinese goods way too expensive. Even US iPhones are made in a Chinese factory. Farmers are really hurting as well. Domestically, there's been a ton of reports out this week. The main event is the year-over-year PCE report on the Fed's key inflation gauge. Tariffs from one of our main trading partners will certainly have an effect on this inflation. The Fed speak after last week's Fed meeting indicates that the market is wrong. They are wrong in building in a 1 point reduction in the federal funds rate. Wow. We'll have to see how this affects the market. There are so many market moving items. When I can help, do give me a call.